Hi, my name is Tiger. I'm a producer on Nifty, and today we're going to talk about 7 hacks I use to help me move. So first off, moving just sucks in general. Like, no one likes to move. You have to pack all your things, you have to unpack all your things, and you have to put it all back in your new space. So I just needed ways to make that process that I didn't like very much easier. And I just wanted to get all the things, get out the place, and into my new life. So the first hack really simplifies moving your clothes. I have all my clothes on hangers. I didn't want to take the things off the hangers, fold it, put it in a box. So instead, you can just take a trash bag, stuff your clothes in it, take it off the hanger, and then you can just move it just like that, and it protects your clothes from getting dirty. You can still reuse the trash bags afterwards. It's a win-win, reusable. It's super easy to carry because you just carry it by the handles. And also when you move, one of the first things you need are clothes, so you can just travel closet to closet. So the next one is creating handles for your boxes. When I was looking for boxes to put all my clothes in, I realized that there's not a lot of boxes that are easy to carry. Even if the box is light, sometimes that awkwardness makes it hard to carry. So you can just cut holes on the side of the box where your hands would go, flip it up, ready to go. So the next one keeps all your drawers intact. So when you're moving stuff, things don't fling open. So for this one, you can just use press and seal. It's a quick, easy way to solve a problem that you may have when you're moving stuff instead of going out to buy the whole stretch roll of the plastic. So when you pack your plates vertically, you can actually see what plates you have when you open the box instead of having to lift one by one. So this is a super good way just to stay organized, and if you just moved and you're hungry, just open the box. You already know what plate you need, take it out, do your thing. Another super useful tip is just to use color-coordinated tape. Some people write the labels of what's in the box on top of the box, which is great, but when you are looking at a ton of boxes with a ton of words, if you just look at the color of the tape on the box, you can quickly identify what you need. It just saves a lot of mental energy, because after a day of moving, you really don't want to think anymore. Also, when all your boxes are color coordinated, if anyone's helping you move, they can already pick up the box and put it where it needs to go to when you get to your final destination without you having to tell them where it goes. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to lose all the little bits and pieces from furniture when you have to take it apart to move, even just to get it outside the room. So putting all your screws, your nuts and bolts in a plastic bag and making sure it's taped to the furniture that it belongs to, you can color coordinate with the tape that you use with these bags just to make sure they go to the right rooms. It's very common when you're traveling with bottles that they just open and all the liquid comes out. So just as an assurance policy, just make sure that you take off the lid, put some plastic wrap, tape the lid back on, then none of your bottles will explode on you in mid-transition. And you won't have a giant mess to clean up either, which is amazing. So with all these hacks, all of them just help you save energy and a lot of mental energy with this, because moving takes up a lot of physical energy, it takes up a lot of mental energy, and all of it is just to make sure you stay sane at the end of the day. So just make sure that you do the hard work as you're preparing, because it will save you so much energy down the line.